Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 inches best oil sprayer for air fryer is Misto oil sprayer. The Misto sprayer is as near to commercial aerosol sprayers as you can get without using potentially hazardous propellants. The BPA-free mister sprays the same micro droplets onto your meal, ensuring a uniform and consistent oil coating. It's simple to use. The pump-style cap is simple to use and requires only 2 steps. To release the mist, just pump the container and then press the valve on the pressurized sprayer. It's also extremely adaptable. All of your favorite oils, as well as vinegars, citrus juice, sherry, and Marsala wine, can be sprayed with the sprayer. If there's a drawback, it's that this sprayer has a lot of moving components to clean. Misto is a reusable oil spray and mister bottle that gives you the convenience and health benefits of typical aerosol sprayers but in a more healthy, economical and environmental way. Fill Misto with your favorite oils, vinegars, lemon and lime juice, sherry, or Marsala wine. Great for dressing salads, breads, or cooking. Number 2 in our side is Pure Light Spray Olive Oil Mister. The lovely blue tint of this glass container does more than just look nice, it also serves to darken the bottle, keeping sunlight out and extending the shelf life of the oil inside. The sprayer produces a fine, even mist that's ideal for a variety of applications, such as covering food or baking pans. To use, simply raise and lower the cap 30 times until you feel resistance in the bottle. Then, by pressing down on the nozzle itself, the perfect layer of frying oil is dispensed. The cooking oil spray bottle sprays pans with a thin, even application of your favorite vegetable oil, such as avocado or grapeseed. For a low-cost alternative to oil spray cans like PAM, spray like an aerosol but with air pressure instead. For better storage and to avoid contaminants from leaking into the oils as with plastic containers, the bottle is made of BPA-free, food-safe glass. Our unique, patent-pending black film has been sprayed to inhibit UV rays from penetrating the glass and ruining the oil, as well as to keep the glass from shattering when dropped, for increased safety and easier cleanups. Because of the slick oils on the tiled kitchen flooring, this is a must-have function. Third in our best oil sprayer for air fryer list is Waved Oil Spritzer. This stylish oil sprayer has a lot to offer. A compact and easy-to-hold food-grade glass bottle, a stainless steel nozzle, and an anti-slide design are just a few of the sprayer's superb design characteristics, especially considering the low price. There's also no need to spend any extra time pumping. All you have to do to use the oil mister is gently press the button. Whether you're spraying olive oil or another cooking oil, vinegar, or soy sauce, the outcome is a thin mist that coats food precisely. The sprayer also comes with 2 cleaning brushes and an extra tubing to extend the product's useful life. The oil dispenser is easy to use. Just a little press on the button, you will get a fine mist. The press strength need to fast and even. And then the mist effect will be better. You need to clean it by hot water and dry out the water in the spritzer before use. Our fourth pick is Evo Stainless Steel Oil Sprayer. The Evo Stainless Steel Oil Mister is a popular choice since it sprays a lovely, even application of cooking oil without the need to pump beforehand. The spray bottle is made of 18 by 8 stainless steel and features a BPA-free plastic sprayer with an ergonomic trigger. To discharge the frying oil from the bottle, simply pull once. Even better, each pull delivers a consistent 1/4 teaspoon of oil, ensuring that you know exactly how much you're putting on your food or cooking surface. The nozzle is specifically engineered to spray in a vertical or horizontal fan spray pattern, which provides for greater control and precision application. The oil mister has a big 16-ounce capacity, so even the most ardent cooks won't have to keep refilling the bottle. Last in this list is Evo Reusable Oil Sprayer. It's critical to have a durable oil mister if you plan to use it for grilling. The last thing you want is broken glass on your patio. Because it's composed of plastic, this spray bottle is ideal. It's latex, BPA, and DEHP free, so don't be concerned. Another key feature is, the sprayer holds a staggering 18 ounces, so you can use it for more than just spritzing enormous portions of meat with oil. This oil spray, like previous Evo oil sprays, sprays in vertical and horizontal fan patterns for the best coverage and control. You'll have a precise idea of how much oil is being deposited and where it's going. Evo is an attractive design meant to be displayed in your kitchen. The bottle shape has been designed to be stable, and the elongated neck and ergonomic trigger make it easy to use. By spraying pure oils, you maintain the purity of your foods, and you eliminate the dangers of highly pressurized and sometimes flammable aerosols from your kitchen.